Yes, so fly from day again with another video. Yeah. So we are make Facebook rate Jamaican food. Yeah. So we just drop some more dish them out prepare. So just stay tuned to the video. Stay tuned. What's good, so fly fam? You know it's your boy and we're back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend, tell a friend. We're out here. We are doing it.
Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father. And make we lift up the world, yeah. Take a look.
Yes, so fly fam. You know, so we are taking it today to Facebook.
Yeah, Facebook
And
we take it to today.
we are just some of the people them
So
rate
we are those
Jamaican
people
food.
Jamaican food.
You see
And
me?
them thing there.
So we'll drop some more, we'll
So
dish them, we'll
Facebook
prepare
think about Jamaican
and ask
food.
them
Yes,
couple
we just drop
questions.
a status, so we just check
You
it.
see me? So we just check
Yeah.
it out. Yeah man, we just check it out. You see me? Be a
Yeah.
part of the so fly fam.
Like first one we put
Yeah.
up
So
240
we ask,
views.
do you love Jamaican
We
barbecue
have
food? You
one
see me?
somebody
So we are see.
say, oh yes. What me say that, so?
We have
Do you love
200 odd
Jamaican
people have viewed the
barbecue?
thing.
Jamaican
But one
barbecue.
somebody
Chicken breast.
reply, you see me?
Yes, I'm going. One somebody love it. But we have couple people have
So
viewed
we
this
just
time.
show you
Yeah.
people them where have viewed the thing, you see
248
me?
to be exact. So we just scroll, I'm gonna say
Yeah, we just show the people that are viewing
people.
the status, the story,
Yeah.
status story.
Shit.
Yeah, yeah, in which way.
Go point next status. Alright.
So the next one is,
So
do
one and all
you
say, do
love
you love Jamaican
barbecue
food?
pork? As mother say,
Barbecue pork.
how
So we
much
have
prepare the barbecue
52%
pork?
saying
Is
yes.
that alright? Pot roast the
And
pork,
48%
make the
saying
barbecue
no. 48 we
sauce,
say no, nah,
then
miss
put
out.
on a jerk pan. So
Trust me.
mother probably call it smoked
Things are
barbecue.
missing out.
So you can rate
So
it
we love
also. Tell me, do you
US
love that
dollars.
dish, etc.? Why you rate it 1 to 10? So we have
Alright, so
7
we have
people
some
saying
8 people
yes,
that think
them love
so
it,
far.
and
What is going
yeah.
on? What is going on?
Yeah, people, so you can send your video idea, your video suggestion. You see me? Remember, alright. What we ask for, you can send a signature dish, and we'll post it to get to people can Facebook can view it also and rate it from 1 to 10. So yeah.
Yeah, so follow that. Thumbs up. You on viewed profile. People follow her on Facebook. Yep. 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 Yeah, so this thing we just see what go on. Cool. Alright, these are the persons that
Okay,
say
cool. These are the
no,
person that say no.
and these are
So I
people
check them
who
out.
yeah,
And follow them on Facebook as well, isn't me? Remember,
they
like,
don't
share,
people
comment,
fast.
subscribe. Tell a friend for tell a friend.
She said no
So we out
people.
here. Out there on the next video and we
She
there
don't
do it,
like
isn't
it.
me? So we just make Facebook rate
Yeah.
Jamaican food as we tell you before. So if you're a fan of Jamaican food, you can look out, add me up on Facebook. We are drop our next photo.
So we
So you
got
can be a part of the trend. Be a part of it. Get your profile share on YouTube. You see me?
yeah, we got 288
Speak your mind, what you think about the
person
food.
viewing the
Rate
status.
with food. You see me?
Right.
Yeah. If you can send your
Yeah.
food, put it up and make people rate it too. You understand?
First,
Do you have your signature dish? DM me it. I will put it up and make Facebook rate it. So remember,
so
check out the
people
video.
Facebook has spoken.
Remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Yeah. Please
This
do
one
remember.
say, do you love
Subscribe,
church?
turn on the post
85%
notification
say
so you will
yes,
never so you won't miss another video like
45%
this. You see
say
me?
no.
Remember, we are taking it to Facebook. So cool. Yes, I remember all these dishes done by your boys. Yours truly. Chef Henry. Henry so fly. You see me? So remember, send your photo
And this
and
one
your
now,
signature dish. I will go and post it up. And see what people think.
Jamaican
Get your dish
Friday
rate.
night dinner.
Understand? Jamaican dish.
And
You see me?
4%
Remember,
say no,
subscribe.
1%
As me I
says
say,
yes.
subscribe
So,
to the channel.
yes,
Turn on the post notification.
Shamba me. Yes, not everyone.
Send your video suggestion, your video ideas. Send it to your boy.
This shit is done.
You see me? Check it out. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Until our next video. Peace. Peace.